is a 1993 Sportsmobile. It's seen some shit. My name is Brian. I'm a purchasing guy here at the Path Bike Shop. And this is my 1993 Ford Sportsmobile. My partner Val and I bought this thing like 10 or 11 years ago in this very parking lot, like on a total whim. And it's been awesome to have. We use it for like weekend mountain bike trips, trail running, just getting out in the middle of nowhere with our dog and relaxing a bit. Yeah, we've taken some long trips on it. We've taken a bunch of trips to Colorado and the San Juans. Val kind of takes a yearly, month-long sojourn in this thing to Idaho, Montana, Colorado. Makes lots of trips to the Eastern Sierra, skiing, riding bikes, running. Yeah, that's what we do with it. So for the rear rack setup on this van, we started just with a regular Thule T2 rack. That quickly didn't work out because then you lose access to the back of the van. And then I started trying basically every swing out on the market. I think I've been through 3 or 4, and this will be the 5th. The RambleSwing seems to solve all the previous issues that we've had with other swing outs. Those being like, wanted it to be pretty low profile, needs to be really stable and not introduce any more like wobble to the system. And needs to be a little like modular so I can run it in different ways when I need to. The rack that I have on there is definitely kind of a work in progress. It's taken me years to kind of get to where it is now. It needed to be simple, as short as possible to the back of the van, and with as many means to lock as possible because we keep bikes on there overnight and at trailheads and whatnot. So it's currently kind of a mashup of several different generations of racks all melded into one. Like I mentioned earlier, I work here at the Path Bike Shop. We've been here for 25 years. We basically only do high-end mountain stuff, transition, pivot, Norco, Kona, Orbea, Santa Cruz. Yeah, if you want to come in and look at some sweet bikes, talk vans, look at this van, come on down anytime. I'm here pretty much every day.